I bet you didn't know that 99% of humans and women do not know how to adjust or assemble an office chair. And most basic chairs are pretty much the same. And my wife saw this chair at Office Depot that she really liked. So she made a deal with me. She said if I go pick it up, she'll make dinner, and then we'll both be done at the same time.
I'll make that deal. How about you, bitch? You make that deal?
I'd make that deal.
I don't blame you. Damn good deal.
And then my friend Tyler Durden and I decided to get to work. And he told me all he needed was a screwdriver. Okay, there's going to be 3 parts to this video. First is the unboxing, second is the assembly, and third will explain how to adjust most office chairs. Okay, first there's the back part of the chair, and it always has a bracket. Then there's the second part of the chair that you sit on. There's the wheel base. Then there's the part that adjusts the chair. And you've got your 5 wheels, which will help you to stay mobile when you're too lazy to stand up. And there's always the hydraulic shaft, which pushes your chair back up. And these days, everything always comes with a tool. And then of course it includes your bolts. And lastly, there's the instruction booklet, but that's why you have me. You don't need that. Okay, let's put this thing together. First, we take the wheel base and then we pop in the 5 wheels, and they literally just pop right in. You'll know you're in all the way when you hear and feel the pop. Beautiful. Next, take the part that you sit on, flip it upside down, and look for the 4 holes on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now grab the part that does the adjustment, it has a lever on it, and line it up with the 4 holes. Make sure that the knob is more towards the center, and the mounting bracket for the back part of the chair is towards the back of the chair. Then grab our bolts and put them in the 4 holes using the tool that came with the chair, but as you're putting in the first 3, don't tighten them all the way until you have all 4 in. For speed, I like to use the long side to tighten them down, and then switch over to the short side in order to get more leverage for the final tightness. And my friend suggested that I didn't buy this.
Advertising has us chasing cars and clothes, working jobs we hate so we can buy shit we don't need.
But Tyler, she really needs it. And now let's put in the hydraulic shaft. Make sure the smaller part is facing up. It should fit in nice and snug. And I know you think we're done because all we have to do is slide this chair onto the shaft and that's it, but
What you're feeling is premature and light.
But next we're going to go over the adjustment settings on pretty much every single office chair. Now first, down here we have a rotating knob. Right makes it tighter and left makes it looser. And what that does is control how easy or how hard it is to lean back in the chair. Now you can push the lever in to your left to lock it into place so it cannot rock back and forth, or just pull it back out when you're ready to rock backwards. Another setting is to pull the lever up, and that allows the chair to fall down with your weight. Then you just let go at your desired height. And if you need to start over, just sit up while pulling the lever, and the hydraulic will push the chair all the way up. And if you think you might want to purchase this chair, I'll leave it in the description of the video below. And if this is your first time here, you have to subscribe.